So, hello everyone. Myself, Kamlesh Rajendra Dosainder, and today's date is 18th of April 2024. And my today's video topic is a non-technical topic. So, the name of my today's topic is noise pollution. So, guys, first of all, what is noise pollution? So, it is a unwanted or harmful sound and is a pervasive environment issue that has significant impacts on both the human and our ecosystem. So it may seem like a minor inconvenience compared to other forms of pollution. So the noise pollution poses serious threats for our health, well-being, and the natural world. So there are some causes of noise pollution. So the noise pollution increases the various arise from various sources like transportation, then industrial activities, then construction, then various types of events, and everyday human activities done by human. So the road traffic, aircraft, train, and that are contribute to ambient noise level, particularly in urban area. So industrial factories, then construction sites, and mining operation generate high level of noise during their operations. So these recreational activities such as concert, festival, then sporting events are also contribute for noise pollution, especially in densely polluted areas. Additionally, some household activities like using lawn mowers, power tools, and some household appliances can add the overall burden of noise pollution. So there are some effects of noise pollution on our health. So the excessive noise levels can have the detrimental effect on our human health. So the prolonged exposure of noise can lead to the hearing loss, then ringing in the ears, and other some auditory problems like chronic noise exposure has been linked to increased stress level, then hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, and some sleep disturbances. So noise pollution can impair cognitive function, then disrupt our communication, and interfere with learning and concentration, particularly in children and particularly in students. So there are some environmental impact of noise pollution also. So the noise pollution also affect our wildlife and our natural ecosystem also. So in terrestrial environment, loud noise from urban areas can disturb wildlife habitats, then alter animal behaviors, and interfere with breeding and foraging activities. In aquatic environment, underwater noise pollution from sheep, then sonar system, and offshore industrial activities can disturb marine life, including whales, dolphins, fish, which are rely on sound for communication, navigation, and hunting. So, at last, noise pollution is a complex and multi-affected problem that required some concerted efforts from government, industries, communities, and some individuals address effectively. So, by raising awareness and implementing sound policies, than investing in innovative technologies and fostering a culture of noise consciousness. We can less the adverse effect of noise pollution and create a healthy and more sustainable environment for our human generation. So that's all about our today's video. So thank you so much for watching this video.